Hey guys, welcome back to TechTube, and in this video I am going to show you how to change subtitles into your Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Sometimes we might want to change the subtitles of our anime in Crunchyroll because of so many reasons, but as a new user, you might not know how to change the subtitles. In order to change the subtitles, just simply open your Crunchyroll application at first, and now after opening the Crunchyroll application, you will get bunch of options at first. You just simply have to select this account amongst them, and after that you will directly get the option of subtitles/closed captions language. Just simply click into that option, and from here you can choose subtitles in so many languages. Just simply select the option which is suitable for you, and this is all you have to do. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change the subtitles. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.